Hi guys, and welcome back to Site Eng, where you can see all interesting site engineering and civil engineering stuff. And in today's video guys, I finally going to show you the slipform. You can see one of this is being assembled right now. The one behind me is already finished. We got another one there running on the level number 3. Now we're going to have a look at this, and then guys, we're going to go all the way up to see this one, how it's happening when this nice very long 65-meter pump is working, and we're going to see how it's done. So let's go. So as you can see guys, this is already here, everything ready to start to jump up, to shoot up, and to start sliding it up. But we're gonna have a look guys how it looks now. There's a ladder access for now, and obviously that's gonna be changed later. It might be hoist, so it might be hacky stairs going all the way up. And I'm gonna show you this guys. So you can see the walls are ready. Everything is before the first pour here. You can see the distances for the steel. The climbing pipes here, you can see there's levels marked by the engineer here. So that's the most important thing guys, as all the rest going to be actually measured with a tape measure. You're going to be tape measure from the edges of the wall, and the levels are the most important thing in the slipform actually, when you're going to be installing your quicker strip, when you're going to be installing your doors and other openings if any. And obviously this is a small slipform. This is the residential project, so it's not a big one. But on the huge projects, on the big projects guys, the slipform might be very big, like I did in 100 Bishopsgate. And there was plenty more stuff coming, like half fence, there was a big plates, and there was a very busy there guys, and there was a very big job itself really. But you can see the guys got ready here, nice solution here. They got the hook for the U-bars, they got all steel ready here, that's how it works. And as it goes up, the guys fixing steel. So that's the working deck here. I'm going to jump on top to show you the top deck when the fixers actually passing the steel from the top going down, and this is another fixers working here on this deck. But guys, as I said, I'm going to jump on top there on one of these slipforms, and I'm going to show you how it looks when it's all working, when it's all busy, when everyone's there, and it's very busy. You're going to see it's a little bit crazy when it's all going up. And hopefully we're going to speak with the driver of one of these slipforms there, and he's going to tell you a little bit more about all this stuff, as probably he knows more than me. But you got the hydraulic jacks here, so that's how it all works here. This is under pressure, this thing sliding up on these pipes here, and then later these pipes are extended similarly to steel. You're going to splice the steel, and you're going to have to just put the pipes in to extend them so the slipform can climb on top of them. So the idea is very good guys here, as this is climbing on the pipe here. So once the concrete is poured, the length between the wall and actually anchorage of this pipe and between the hydraulic jack to climb it is not that high. So that's how it works really. So it's a very, very good idea. And then yeah, I think we're going to jump up. I show you the level before, and once we're going to go up there, there's going to be another level below for the guys, for the concrete finishers and all the stuff. And if you got any questions, obviously just guys leave some comments, leave the questions in the comments, and I'm going to reply to them as soon as I can. Just have a look guys, like everything is nice, prepared here, ready. First aid, safety is the key here guys. This is very important, as slipforms are busy, and the guys, everyone have to be slipform inducted obviously, and they all very experienced here. The crew is very good, I can say, and then they do the great job. But let's go up there and have a look what we're gonna have here. You want to be in my video? Yeah, right. How are you, man? Good, yeah. I work with this man, and I work with him on some other jobs, and he's doing now the job here as well. Very good crew guys, as I said. Thank you. Yeah, and then so that's how it looks guys. Obviously all steel deliveries, everything, concrete as well going from this deck. All steel, you can see it's delivered here. So this is working deck, and the guy's sliding the bars down, and as I said, the fixers down there, he's tying them in and splicing them. So that's how it looks. The fixers are bringing the steel, and that's how the wall is extended really. And then we're going all the way up guys, up there. The guy's using here the placing boom. I showed you on one of the other videos as well. So that's the way they pour in the concrete there in the slipform. But that'll be all guys, and I'm going to try to jump there. So guys, you can see there they are wrapping up that slipform now. The bottom deck is there. I'll try maybe to go there for a minute to show you this. But as I said guys, we're going to be jumping on one of them too on top later. So I'm going to show you how it looks. But that's the deck there, the bottom deck, you can see there. I didn't have a minute to go before, just before they wrap it all, but you can see they wrap it. They probably put nice JRL logo on it and stuff like this, and then they're gonna jump up. But that's ready now. This is the working deck as we worked before. How much? No problem. You want to be there as well? You want to be on the video? Okay. So that's going to be wrapped up now nicely. As I said, you can see the starter bars all the way. It's now ready to start going up. Hi guys, just to show you this one. I see the electrics, they were working before just to make everything safe and ready to start. But I see they started wrapping it up. So before they wrap it up, I want to show you this. Actually going to go down there in a minute to just have a quick walk around it to show you that as you can see, that's actually the other one, but this is already lifted, so they can build that bottom deck here, which you can see, and then that's how it looks, all complete now, really. Just getting ready, just getting wrapped, really, just making sure everything is safe, all good to go, really, and then go up as all the rest of them. You can see that one on top, as I showed before, that one is finished, the other one going up, and in a minute, guys, we're gonna go on the tallest one there, and I'm going to show you how it looks when it's all working inside and where the concrete is being poured into the walls. Sleep structure, so that's, guys, how it looks here. You see the deck is ready now. That's the shutter here, access ladder in here, everything. You see that rubber here, it's just making sure nothing going to fall down when using the slipform. Obviously there's some extra safety things, guys, and wherever you access the slipform, you need to be actually slipform inducted to know how everything goes there on the slipform. Every safety features and all the stuff, like all your tools have to be tethered. You see there's a tethers here on someone's belt, so the tape have to be tethered, every single tool have to be tethered, and everything have to be just fall protected. And then, as I said, the special induction have to be carried before you access the slipform. So that's how it looks, guys. As I said before, this one is nearly ready to start going up. But now, guys, oh, that's a nice EDM they use in Topcon here. I don't know if I told you this before. Another type of EDMs, I just showed you closer. So JRL using Topcons, when you join them, guys, you need to be ready to use a very good EDM anyway. You use a tablet, so it's very easy, not complicated. But we are going there now, guys, and I'm going to show you where the concrete is coming and how it looks from the inside. Let's go. So, guys, I'm going to be accessing the slipform now. There's a hacky stairs running just in the middle here, all the way up. And this is, as I said, that's a 13th floor, so it's not that bad. But on the bigger slipforms, on the higher ones, like 50, 60 floors, you obviously need a hoist, and there will be a hoist. I can show you the hoist actually on one of the buildings outside, but they're not using hoist here on this job for the slipforms. So that's the way, guys. That's the laser here. I'm going to tell you just in a minute about it. This is the way the engineer is checking the verticality of the slipform. And as you can see here, that beam from the laser running all the way up, and you can see actually there are openings in the slab to allow the beam goes all the way up. So you can actually measure from the laser to the wall. So that distance there from your laser into the wall obviously need to be the same all the way up. Once obviously this laser is perfectly leveled here, but obviously it is. You can see it's on. So that's the laser the engineer is using. And let's go up, guys. So, guys, I'm on my way up. It's quite high. You can see I'm already here at this level. A little bit more up and I'll be there. What a nice view, guys. I'm here now. So let's go up and let's have a look what's happening in there, guys. So that's the first deck, guys, here. You can see here the doors are already installed, and the man is working here, concrete finisher, just make a nice finish here on the walls. But as you can see, the concrete is actually quite alright here, so no problems whatsoever. The guy's doing very good job here. And yeah, guys, that will be all. See the doors, so all is actually sealed and safe now. So once it's all finished, it's very good, guys. Little difficult, guys. Right, boss? So you can see it's very similar to what I show you now, just the guys pouring the concrete. I'll try to jump up there as well and show you. You can see the the pump is there. So the pump running here, the guys pouring the concrete. That's how it looks, guys. So you can see the shutters, they're nearly filled there. After the shutter is going to be filled, everything going to be vibrated properly. Obviously, after some time, the guys start to leave the shutters. So I'm not going to show you this today, as that's going to take some time and I cannot be here long because I'm actually on my break time now. But as you can see, as I showed you before, fixers are working here. Oh, it's my mate here. How are you, man? So my friend is working here as well. On this one you can see, so all that's hydraulic jacks, everything. You see the pipe here. So that's what I explained before on the one on the ground. That's going to be lifted. And then I'll try to actually show you from the top how it looks now, and we're gonna have a look at the view here. Probably we can say hello to the crane drivers, I think. Oh, look at the nice, it's not even the ladder, it's like a proper steps here. This slipform actually is different to some slipforms I worked before, was a wooden platform. So this is actually like this is a steel slipform, and this is made to measure, and the guys assembled that slipform here. I'm gonna show you this in a minute as well. As I showed before, this is the levels here. You got a pump here. So that's how it works really. The concrete is distributed all over there, and that's it, guys. So I'm gonna go down and try to show you. Actually, they assemble another one.
This
1 second, guys, because
high technology.
high technology here. The guy says high technology. Give me 1 second, lads. Can I see this? What's this? Oh Jesus, this laser's eye. So he cannot even measure this. I didn't know. He's right, actually. High technology. So the laser is actually showing here position anyway. So you know it's +5, -6. Perfect.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
So it's very good. So you don't need to even measure old school, like with the tape measure down there. So that's okay. So what I said, guys, you see, this is going to be for the doors. So actually, the guys got the shutters here, the steel shutters. So everything is so like automated. It's perfect, guys. So you don't really need many chippies here working. What I was doing before, there was plenty chippies putting the doors, putting the openings, putting the coney bars as well, and all the stuff. But as you can see, this will be the door opening here. So you got the U-bars there, everything like it should be. And then later when the shutter gonna go up, that's gonna be like it's not like a lintel, and then gonna be links here. So the door gonna be, the opening gonna be created as it should be. So that's how it works. That's the opening, guys. Quite interesting. I never seen the steel one, so good I'm here actually. And that's how it works. So openings, as I said, coney bars at the proper level. So probably that's going to be slab level here on the doors, and they're going to be at this level, going to be for coney bars. So maybe engineer actually mark it. If he did not mark it yet, he will mark it for the guys, and that's how it go. That's how it works. Yes, there's more doors here. I didn't notice that before. And yeah, guys, I think that's it here from the top. You should know everything now, but I'm going to still try to speak with the engineer from here and the foreman as well, and we're going to try to find out what they're expecting from people working on the slipform. So let's go. Just to maybe quickly tell you one thing, if you may be afraid of heights, I don't really think the slipform going to be the best for you really. As you can see here, it's quite high, a little bit windy today as well, but yeah, I think that's it. Just as always, guys, please, if you got any questions, don't forget to leave the comments there and let me know. You can see here the coney bars here, so that's another job for the concrete finishers. As they go up, they cleaning all this and making ready later for the floors when they're going to be all shuttered here. They're going to be proper connection between the slab and the wall, obviously. So yeah, let's go down. So guys, that's the one being assembled here. It's far from ready, but guys working on it. So similar to the stage I was before on, and I show you. But that's the way it works. The walls there, they're still going to be connected, and then they're going to be first pour, and we're going to go to the stage where we are at that one there, and then obviously we're going to go to this one, and then we're going to go all the way up, and then you're going to be struck and just ready to receive the slabs and to connect with the slabs and just make the whole object ready really. So guys, that will be all in today's video. I hope you like it, and if so, please don't forget to leave the thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. Follow my LinkedIn page as well, and check my coffee page too. Unfortunately, guys, today I couldn't get slipform engineer and then slipform foreman too, so I'll probably do another video when I'm gonna do like a small interview with them. We're gonna ask them what they expect from the engineers and how the job is looking there from their point of view, and then maybe I also show you that tape and how they use it to take the levels and transfer the levels on the slipform. So thank you again for watching and see you next time.